Since everyone has joined, I'll just get started, okay? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I hope you all are healthy today. Next, I would like to check your attendance first. Is there anyone who is not going today? Okay, good. Before starting today's learning activities, I would like to ask the class leader to lead their friends in prayer. Before that, does anyone know what we will learn today? Today, we will learn to recognize the animals around us and find out the function of their body parts. Okay, next, please observe the following image. After you observe the image, what animals are in the picture? Okay, right. In the picture are cats, dogs, and birds. And then, can you name animals other than those in the picture? That's right. Besides cats, dogs, and birds, around us there are butterflies, fish, ducks, chickens, and many more. Okay, before we proceed to the main material, please listen to this story carefully. Yoshi is my pet cat. I have a cat named Yoshi. Yoshi has very thick and soft gray fur. Yoshi has very sharp claws and tiny paws. Her eyes are round and brown, so she looks very adorable. I love her very much. Yoshi always accompanies me when I'm studying. When she's hungry, she'll hit my feet with her tiny feet. And her favorite food is meat. Okay, after listening to the story earlier, what is Yoshi? Okay, right. Yoshi is pet cat. And number 2, what color is Yoshi's fur? You're right. Her color fur is gray. And last, what is Yoshi's favorite food? Amazing! Her favorite food is meat. Wow, you all are amazing. Before that, let's mention the names of the animals along with their meanings by singing together.
If you like, mention the names of animals. If you like, mention the names of animals. If you like, let's do it together. If you like, mention the names of animals. Duck, bebek, chicken, ayam, mouse, tikus. Cat, kucing, rabbit, kelinci, bird, burung. In semut, kau sapi, goat, kambing, fish, ikan, snake, ular, butterfly, kupu-kupu.
Wow, you all are amazing. And now, are you ready to learn? Well, as I mentioned earlier, today we will learn the function of animals' body parts. First of all, can you name the body parts of animals? Yes, totally correct. The body of an animal consists of a head, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, legs, tail, wings, and much more. Then, the first part of the animal's body is the eye. Does anyone know what the function of the eye? You're right. The function is for seeing. Every animal must have eyes that function for seeing. However, there are animals that have sharp eyes used for hunting. For example, eagles and sharks. Next, ears. Um, does anyone know what the function of the ears? Okay, besides listening, there are several animals that have sharp hearing to avoid predators and hunt. Examples of animals with sharp hearing are bats, dolphins, and owls. Next, does anyone know what the function of the nose? Okay, there are also animals with a sharp sense of smell, which functions to search for food and detect scents. Examples of animals with a sharp sense of smell include bears, dogs, and sharks. Next, um, does anyone know what the function of the mouth? Okay, the mouth function for eating. There are animals with keen teeth to tear apart their prey, such as lions, dogs, sharks, and tigers. And there are also animals with flat or molar teeth, which are herbivores like giraffe and elephant. In addition, there are also those that have beaks. Beaks function to search for food, and they can also serve as tools to protect themselves from other predators. The shape of the beaks varies depending on the type of food. For example, carnivorous birds have curved and sharp beaks to tear apart their prey. There are some animals that have wings to fly, for example, birds and butterflies. There is also a tail that cats and dogs have, which function to maintain body balance. Next, there is fur or hair that serve a protection or insulation for the animal's body.
And the last part of the animal's body is the antenna. Does anyone know what the function of the antenna? Okay, antenna can serve as a sense of smell and even hearing, and they can also act as direction detectors for insects.
Okay, before we move on to the next session, I have a game to guess the name of animals. Okay, how was the game? Easy, wasn't it? Are you ready to move on the next session? Okay. In this section, please fill in according to the body parts owned by each animal. You can give a check mark on each body part owned by the animal. And this one, please give a name to each body part of the monkey. Okay, our lesson for today has concluded, and let's summarize today's learning material. After learning the names of animals, we understand that each animal has different body parts and function according to its type and habitat. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. I hope you understand the material I presented. Then please review this material again at home. If there are any unclear points, we will discuss them again in the next meeting. And before concluding today's learning activities, I would like to ask the class leader to lead the prayer. Okay, thank you for participating in today's lesson. I hope the knowledge I shared is beneficial. Good morning and see you later. Bye bye.